Hi guys, Felix with Quadcopter Guide, and today we are checking out the DJI Mavic Air. Coming up, the unboxing and first look of the Mavic Air, a comparison between the Spark, the Mavic Air, and the Mavic Pro, and finally, we check out the contents of the Fly More package. Of course, everything you see here today is linked in the description below, be sure to check it out. For our Fly More package, we chose the Arctic White over the Onyx Black or the Flame Red. Here you can see the travel bag, the accessories box, and the carrying case for the drone. The first time you check out this drone, you realize how tiny it really is. There's a lot going on at the bottom of the drone, but let's start with the downward vision system. It consists of 2 cameras and a 3D infrared module. On the rear there are 2 more cameras and the aircraft status indicator, which is also a function button. To unfold, you start with the rear legs, flipping those out to the bottom, and the front legs flip out to the side. Here, the gimbal and camera behind the gimbal clamp, as well as the forward vision system. To remove this new redesigned simple gimbal clamp, you just pinch and pull forward. The 24mm lens opens up to an aperture of f2.8 and gives us a field of view of 85 degrees. What's nuts is we get a Mavic Pro sensor and a gimbal that's the size of the Spark's gimbal, and it's 3-axis. Now let's move on to the battery. To remove it, you slide the 2 tabs to the back and the battery pops out. And to put it back in, you just slide it in and push down until you hear the click. New to the Mavic Air are these fold-out landing gear, which house the antennas. Getting the antennas away from the body like this reduces interference when receiving a signal. The remote control reminds us of the DJI Spark's remote, except that you plug in your smart device with a cable. And also, new to the Air are the officially removable control sticks. The control sticks are stored in these little grip compartments, allowing you to put the whole remote control in your front pocket of your jeans, or in other compact storage areas. To install the control sticks, you remove them from their storage area, line them up with the center of the control pad, and just twist them clockwise. When we compare the size of the remote control to the Mavic Air, we realize how really tiny this drone is. The drone is just a hair larger than the remote control. Let's do a size comparison. We'll start, of course, with the new DJI Mavic Air compared to the DJI Spark and the DJI Mavic Pro. To demonstrate its tininess, we put the DJI Spark on top. And you can see since the legs fold of the Mavic Air, it is less wide. But check out the body length. It's also hardly longer than the DJI Spark. And compared to the Mavic Pro, of course, it is way shorter. Quick look at the bottom of all 3 drones. Now let's take a look at all 3 in their unfolded flying configuration. You can see how compact the Mavic Air is compared to the Mavic Pro. Now let's check out all the accessories you get with the Fly More package. First up is the travel bag. At the top, a small box with accessories. The Mavic Air's remote control. At the bottom, separated by a little flap. Extra batteries, the battery charging hub, and the charger. You receive 3 batteries total, these 2 spares, and of course the one that's installed in the drone. The first of the extra propeller sets. A USB 3.0 Type-C cable, remote control cables for standard micro USB and Type-C, a micro USB to USB-C adapter, the battery to power bank adapter, another set of spare propellers. New to the Air are lithium-ion polymer batteries compared to lithium polymer that we have on the other drones. The 50-watt charger also features 2 USB ports, which will charge it up to 2 amps. The newly redesigned and totally compact charging hub. Here you can see it with 2 of the 3 batteries installed. And of course you receive the remote control. The antennas fold out as they do on the Spark and the Mavic Pro. One of the cool features of the travel bag is a super expandable front pocket. And on the other side we get another zipper pocket. The Mavic Air drone comes in a super compact carrying case. And in this box, the propeller guards, and manuals. Thanks for watching. If you haven't already, in the description below I've got free resources such as our pre-flight checklist we created for you guys. And if you'd like to get updates on our videos such as our Mavic Air series we're working on, please hit that subscribe button and the little bell next to it. It'd really help us out. Thanks.